Nature's most beautiful optical illusions. Have you ever seen a lake in the desert that vanishes as you get closer? Or a glowing ocean that seems like something out of a dream? Optical illusions aren't just tricks of the mind. They exist all around us in nature, creating breathtaking and sometimes mysterious phenomena. From shimmering mirages to glowing creatures of the deep sea, let's explore some of the most beautiful and mind-bending illusions that nature has to offer. Stay till the end, because the last one might just change how you see the world. 1. Mirage, the desert's deceptive reflection. Imagine you're in the middle of a scorching desert. The air shimmers, and in the distance, you see a beautiful lake. Desperate for water, you rush toward it, only to find nothing but dry sand. This is a mirage, one of nature's most famous optical illusions. It happens because of refraction, when light bends as it moves through layers of hot and cold air. The hot air near the ground makes light curve, creating a reflection of the sky that looks like water. This illusion is so convincing that even experienced travelers can be fooled. 2. Fata Morgana, the sky's mysterious mirage. Mirages can be simple, but there's an even more complex version called a Fata Morgana. Unlike a normal mirage, this one creates massive, distorted images that appear to float above the horizon. Sailors in ancient times reported seeing ghost ships hovering above the ocean, and even today, people witness entire phantom cities appearing in the sky. A Fata Morgana happens when layers of warm and cool air bend light in a way that stretches and twists objects, making them look like they belong to another world. 3. Bioluminescence, nature's glow-in-the-dark magic. Some of the most breathtaking illusions happen at night. If you've ever walked along a beach and seen glowing blue waves or watched fireflies flicker in the dark, you've witnessed bioluminescence. Certain organisms, from tiny plankton to deep-sea fish, produce their own light through a chemical reaction. The result? Oceans that sparkle like the night sky, glowing mushrooms in dark forests, and fireflies painting the air with their flickering dance. In some parts of the world, like Mosquito Bay in Puerto Rico, the water glows so brightly that it looks like liquid stars swirling around you. This illusion isn't just beautiful, it's a survival tool for many creatures, helping them communicate, attract mates, or even scare away predators. 4. The shape-shifting sky. 2 minutes. Clouds. Nature's ever-changing art. Look up at the sky, and you'll see one of nature's most artistic illusions, clouds. From fluffy cumulus clouds to dramatic twisting storm formations, the sky is constantly shifting. Some clouds even create optical illusions, like lenticular clouds that look like flying saucers. Rainbows, the science of colorful arcs. Rainbows are one of the most famous optical illusions. They appear when sunlight bends and reflects inside raindrops, splitting into different colors. But did you know rainbows aren't actually arcs? They're full circles. We usually see only half because the ground blocks the rest. Halos, mysterious rings of light. Sometimes you might see a glowing ring around the sun or moon. This is a halo. It happens when ice crystals in the upper atmosphere bend light, creating a perfect circle of light. In rare cases, halos can form multiple rings or even display rainbow-like colors. 5. Deception in the landscape. The Ebbinghaus illusion, a trick of size perception. Nature doesn't just trick us with light, it also plays with our sense of size. The Ebbinghaus illusion proves that identical objects can appear bigger or smaller depending on what's around them. Imagine 2 lakes of the same size, one in an open desert and one surrounded by mountains. The second one will seem much smaller, even though both are identical in size. Forced perspective when distance plays tricks. Our brains judge distance based on surrounding objects, but sometimes nature distorts this perception. For example, some landscapes create a tilted horizon effect, where a road or river seems to climb uphill, defying gravity. The water illusion, when dry land looks wet. Ever seen a road that looks wet on a hot day? This happens when heat bends light in a way that makes the surface appear reflective. It's a similar effect to a mirage, and it can trick your brain into thinking there's water where there's none. Nature is full of illusions. Some are tricks of light, some are caused by our own perception, and some are just too mysterious to explain. These mind-bending effects remind us that reality isn't always what it seems. Next time you see a glowing wave, a rainbow, or a mirage, take a moment to appreciate the hidden science behind these incredible